is one thing that, you know, everyone needs to be consistent on. And because of that, I haven't made as many sales as other people. My mentor Alicia, she's made a good 3,000 in the last few weeks alone. So good on you, Alicia. Thank you for your mentoring as well. And yeah, so this business really does work. And anyway, so I was making this video for you guys today to show you how to use the snipping tool, which is built into Windows. Um, the snipping tool does the exact same job as what Billy has showed in another video, where you use it to, for example, this picture in front of me here. I could take this picture and use it as a proof pic, for example, which I've already done, but I'll show you how to do. Say you wanted this picture here and you couldn't work out how to save the picture, for example. There's a really easy way to do it. This works also for many other things as well. So say you wanted to take a screenshot, but you didn't want to take all this extra stuff around here. You just wanted to take this, you know, part of the film strip here, for example. This works all sorts of ways like that. So it's all built into Windows, Windows Vista, Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 8.1, and I'm damn sure they're going to be putting it into Windows 10 too when they finally release that properly. So let me get started on showing you how to do it. I'm not sure if it'll show up for us, but if you press Start down the bottom for Windows 8.1, or press the Windows key on your keyboard for Windows 8, it should show up the Windows Start menu. Now there should be a search tool in the top right hand corner, a little hourglass. If you click on that, it should show up a bar. That way you can start typing. In Windows 8, you can also just go to the top right, and it'll pull out a bar here on the right hand side that has a search function. It does the exact same thing as if you went the other way. Windows 7, on the other hand, doesn't have that bar on the right hand side or the search function in the way Windows 8 and 8.1 does. So what you would normally do is, if you click the Start menu on Windows 7, down the bottom here will be a search bar. You can start typing straight away in there. Now what you want to be searching for, which I'll bring it up and I'll show you, is Snipping Tool. So if you type Snipping Tool in there, it should come up with, and hit enter or click on it, it should come up with this little box here, or something similar for Windows 7. Now see this new button? If you click on the new button, you'll be able to make a new snip. So for example, say we wanted to take this photo, we can then click and drag the mouse over the picture and just line it up with the edges, for example, about there, I'd say, give or take, I don't care. It works the same way. And then if you let go, it'll snip it straight up. So that's all it took from that page. You can either highlight things, so you can grab the highlighter here and you can highlight someone's name or the amount, for example, you know, whatever you want to do. You can draw a pen line. You can, if you're really good with the mouse and stuff like that, you can put arrows and words and whatever else. You can erase stuff as well. So say you just, you know, did that, you can erase these out as well if you made a mistake. Once you're done with it, you just click the save little disk here, and it will save the snip. So you choose format, always go JPEG because that's the smallest file, which means it's easier to upload. And then you just type in a name, so we'll call it snip1, but you can call it whatever you want. And then you save it to, you say, your pictures, because it's easily accessible, or an IBK folder, or wherever you're going to be saving it. Just remember where you save it. Once you've saved it, you can close this, and then you can go to the top somewhere, maybe on your profile or wherever you're going to post it, upload a photo, you know, choose the photo that you want to upload. So in my case, if I go here, pictures, shows it up, snip1, it's uploading, and then you say something about it, whatever the case may be, and then you click post as per normal. So that's how you can get photos, for example, that you want to use on your, you know, Facebook business page or your profile, for example. If you wanted to say, I don't know, say you're browsing Facebook or the internet or something, and you decided you wanted a whole area of a page like this. You wanted this whole, you want these two posts, and you wanted this section here. It works the same way. So we'll have to go and reopen it again. So we'll do search. Now you can add this to your desktop too. So if you right click on the actual thing and click pin to start menu, pin to taskbar, there's options in Windows 7 to add it to your desktop, that sort of thing. So whichever one works for you. But if you reopen it again, click new. Now say I wanted to snip all of this here. That's what I wanted. It'll capture all that. if that makes sense. So you can do the same thing again, highlight things, save, draw lines to, write stuff as well, erase it, etc. As I said, works the same way as half the other programs that they do the exact same thing. Wouldn't be surprised if they just took the code and redid the graphical user interface for it to make it look different. So, but yeah, so that's anyway, though, guys. That's how that works. So if you guys are having a bit of issues getting the actual pictures off other people's profiles to use as proof pics on your profile, for example, or you wanted to use a picture you found on Google, but for some reason it won't let you save it, which can happen. Snipping Tool will always let you grab that because it will literally take a screenshot of that section that you've actually highlighted. So yeah, anyway guys, you guys have a good day, and hopefully that helps you.